When you give something, you were given the privilege to serve God and your brothers and sisters. You were given the opportunity to respond to God's love for you. And you were given another opportunity to go to heaven. Not everyone was given this kind of privilege, this kind of opportunity, and this chance to go to heaven. Sapagkat binigyan ka ng pagkakataon ng kapatid mo na makarating sa langit dahil kinaglilingkod sa Panginoon, at nabigyan ka ng pagkakataon na ipakita sa kanila kung gaano mo kamahal ang Diyos, then dapat matuto ka magpasalamat dahil sa pagkakataon na yun. You know, in 2 Corinthians chapter 9 verse 7, it says there, each of you should give what you have decided in your heart, to give not reluctantly or under compulsion. For God loves a cheerful giver.